In this tutorial, I'll show you how to bypass Welcome Back PlayStation screen without controller. This solution contains using a wireless Bluetooth keyboard on your PS4. But you're gonna have to use a USB normal keyboard. Use it, bypass the screen, and from the PS4 home screen, navigate to Settings. Scroll down and select Devices, then click on Bluetooth devices to make your PS4 start scanning for available Bluetooth devices. Turn on your Bluetooth keyboard and activate pairing mode. Your keyboard's name should now appear on the PS screen. Just select it and start pairing process. The pairing may take a few seconds. Once complete, your keyboard is now ready to use with your PS4 and you can bypass the welcome screen whenever you want. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.